ANKITA KHANDALKAR. I have completed my Bachelor's of Engineering in Computer Science from PDEA'S College of Engineering, Hadapsar. I have recently joined QSpiders in February month. I have completed my core Java from Isha ma'am batch, and I have completed SQL from Ekta ma'am batch, and all the advanced Java and Hibernate and Spring batch from Chetan sir. Mocks and presentation are helped me a lot in interviews. Thank you QSpiders for giving me the opportunity to explore the Java development environment, and thank you for giving me the guidance to my career growth.